Hi and welcome back to MRTV. Welcome to another first impression video. This is Alvo, and Alvo is available now on the Quest store. And well, what is it about? Well, it is a team shooter, and it has been available before on the PSVR, and now you can also play it here on the Quest. And we're simply going to check it out. If you want to stand a chance to win Alvo, simply leave a comment in the comment section and one lucky person will be chosen to win Alvo. So do leave a comment now, don't forget it. Alright, so let's simply check out the game a bit. And let me tell you, I am recording this one day before it launches, so there won't be people there. But obviously this is better with your friends or with other people. And here, the plus button, I could invite other friends of mine if they already had Alvo. Anyways, let's simply go into Team Deathmatch. So I'm going to play against some bots, most probably. But that's okay, simply to show you the game. And playing the map Monastery. So let's have a look, and let's see how that goes. Okay, press X to spawn. Let me do it. Yep, that worked well. Okay, I'm here with 2 machine guns, and this is the monastery here. Oh, there was one. There was one. Oh no, he was first. He was first here. Oh no, actually this is a real player. This is a real person. Cool, not even a bot. Good. Hello there, can you hear me? Dear other person. Yeah, obviously this will be more fun when you play it against lots of other... Yes! Got him! Against lots of other people, and... Oh no, he was first. And yeah, it would be great to play it against others, and you will be able to do so. Actually, it would be also good if now there were lots of bots here, but now since there's another real player, I'm playing against this other player. So, oh, I'm so good. Yeah, good to have a look here at the environment. I think this looks Quest. This looks like a Quest game. It doesn't look fantastic, but it also doesn't look bad. And well, it's about how much fun you can have in the game. When you were killed, before you respawn, you can change your loadout. There's like 4 loadout options, and you can also choose 2 melee weapons like this. You can get them from behind your back. You can jump. You can crawl. Yeah, so the controls... Oh, this poor guy. The controls work really well. And in order to reload your weapon, you would simply point them downwards, and then you're ready to go again. Yeah, okay. So, this... Wow! I was so good with my reactions, actually. But, yeah. Anyways, let's go out of this now, and let's check out the other environments. So, let me go out of here. Let's leave the match. Here we are. This is the house. And, yeah, there's a helicopter. Crashed over there. Yeah, what do you think about this game? Do let me know in the comment section right now for a chance to win this game. Also, leave a thumbs up if you enjoy watching MRTV videos. Now also playing games. Okay, so here we are. Let's go up. Oh, where did this come from? From there, okay. So the weapons feel really good. The weapons feel really good. The spatial audio works fine. I just heard the guy from behind me, so that worked really well. Okay, let's go up here. Oops, how did that work? Yes, like this. No. Yep, got him. Got him. Okay, let's move towards the house now. You can also run by clicking into the joystick. Now we have some more. Yes! Debt collector. Tool chat. Oh! Yes! Okay, let's go into the house now. Yeah, I really like this level. I really enjoy this level here. Punisher. I can just imagine how much fun this is going to be with a couple of friends. Very nice. Very, very nice. So, let's go up to the roof. And let's enjoy that view here. Okay. Yes! Now, this is a good vantage point. Perfect. Yes! This is the perfect place here. The perfect place. So if you play this level... Okay. I'm gonna get this guy now. With knives. No, I'm not. I'm not! Why doesn't it reload? Okay. Am I out of... It seems like I'm out. What can I do? Okay. I can do this here now. Let's see. Oh no. Didn't work out. Yeah, cool. Very nice. I really like this level. But let's also check out the third level, which is City. And it seems to be like a city in Spain. So let's check that out. We still have 13 seconds. Another good time now to hit the thumbs up and to leave a comment if you want to win this game. Let's do this. Estación. Okay, this is the train station, it seems. Oh, nice. Yes! This feels very satisfying, I must tell you. Oh. Okay. Oh, look at this. Number one. Yeah, I wish I could play this now against real people. and show you the different modes. But I think you're getting a good idea now also like this. So yeah, this really is fun. Even now playing it against the bots, I can just imagine playing this against your friends will be lots of fun. As far as the graphics are concerned, it's alright. It's questy for sure. This is gonna look better on the computer, the PSVR, but yeah, it's good. It's still good enough, and the weapon handling feels good, and the gameplay fun that you have here is great. And he has the different loadouts. Let's try another one. Just to show you. Okay, this is another one. Let's find out how to get the grenades. Well, this is perfect if you have a gun stock, right? This would feel perfect now with a gun stock. See how to get, okay, here I can change to this. I think it was, wait a moment, let me try this. You have to get to the waist somehow to get the grenade, right? Yeah, I don't know now how to get it. Anyways, let's try out this weapon. Yes! No! Okay. Yeah, anyways, let's go back and let's talk about this. Alright, let me tell you about my first impressions. I liked it, even though I wasn't able to play against other people, since again, I'm playing this one day before it launches, so no other people there. But I can already tell the gameplay mechanics are solid. The weapons feel really good, and even playing against the bots, I had some fun, right? So playing this against your buddies or against other people in team deathmatch or in free-for-all, I am kind of looking forward to it. It's a very solid shooter. Another great option if you simply want to go for some nice shooting action on your quest. It is now available. And yeah, training you can do, free-for-all, and you can do the team deathmatch, for example. And other modes are coming as well. Zombies, hardpoint, private match. All right, cool. Different loadouts here. Nice. So my first impressions of this game are positive. Really solid shooter. Can't wait to play this against my buddies. And yeah, again, if you want to win this, leave a comment down in the comment section. Is that something that you would like to play? Do let me know, and do give me a thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed to MRTV yet, then absolutely do that now. And now I'm looking forward to see you in the next episode. Until then, bye-bye.